Alright, here we have the Rheem Classic Series, I believe from 2008. I think they're heat pumps at my grandparents' lake house. It's probably the last time I'll see them because my grandparents are going to be selling this house. So, yeah, we're currently over here to do some work. That's right there on the... Oh, just shut off. But, anyways... Yeah, that's right. This is the Rheem air conditioner model number. That's here. Yeah, it's 2006. Model number is RPNE 024JAZ. Serial number 7344 M2706222352. This guy just shut off. If I recall correctly, these are heat pumps. Might be straight cool, I don't know. Here's the other one. See, it's in our Rheem Classic Series. It's your Rheem air conditioner. Yeah, it's all 2006. Serial number is RPNE 024JAZ. Serial number 7344 M2706222347. So yeah. Nothing too much but the Rheem unit, but the Rheem Classic Series units at my 2006 Rheem Classic Series units at my grandparents' lake house. Probably for the last time. Over and out.